Hello, my students. Today I will show you will. Do you remember? Just one time I told you. Maybe you forget it. Okay, I will show you. What is Yavuz runs? Think it. Yes. True. Is this. But look here. When I put this will here, look. When I change it, just this. Yavuz will run. Think it. Yeah, who said true? We will see. This. Okay, now it is not this. Look, Yavuz will run. Understand? Okay, I will show you more. Come. Show you now. What is after? After is this. True. You said true. I love you. Come here. We said Yavuz will run. Okay, but when we say after 2 minutes, what's after 2 minutes? Yavuz will run after 2 minutes. Okay, we will see who said true. Look, 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 look. Here. Yes, true. I think you learn it. Okay, come here. I will give you more examples. Okay, Zarya. Okay. Okay, if we say Zarya eats apple, do you know? Yes. Whether it's apple, who said true? Yes, it is. But when we say, Zarya will eat apple, what happened? Zarya will eat apple. We will see who said true. Look this. Understand? Zarya will eat apple. It, okay, I think you understand. Tomorrow. What is tomorrow? Do you know? Get it? I think you know. Okay, I will show. Are you ready? Yes. This is tomorrow. Okay, I will give you example. Zarya will, not this, I don't want blue. Zarya will, wait, not blue, black. Zarya will eat apple tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow. I want this red. Okay, who can tell me in Turkish this? Guess it. Okay, think and I'll show you. Zarya will eat. Zarya, Zarya will. Okay, I want to paint this blue to what is blue here. Zarya will eat apple tomorrow. Understand now what's tomorrow? This is easy peasy. Zarya will eat apple tomorrow. Okay, I will show you more examples. Look, I said what is will? This. When? Okay. Who can tell me? No, 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 wait, don't see Turkey. Yes. Muhammad will go after 2 minutes. Who can tell me? I'm waiting. Yes, Muhammad. This is Turkey. Okay, I will ask you more questions. Miran will sleep after. I told you what's after. Oh, come here, come here, come. What is after? Here, after, what's after this? Okay, now I will show you. What is, what is it? Here, Miran here. Miran will sleep after doing his homework. Who can tell me in Turkish? Guess it. Miran will sleep after doing his homework. Miran, understand? You are amazing. Okay, I will give you another examples. I told you tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Think, first thing I will tell you. Yes, this. I will give example for tomorrow. For example, come here. Arya will come tomorrow. Easy peasy. Will come tomorrow. Yes. Yes. Understand what's tomorrow? You see? Yes. Will come this. Okay. I will give you another example. No, you will give me example. Okay. Now, give me example. I can hear you. Okay. I am listening you. Hmm. Yes. I will help you. Okay. Look. Easy peasy. For example, what? Yes. Yes. Will run. Easy peasy. Yes. Will run. Jump. Like this. For example, look. Oh, wait. Huh. Right down here. See my right down will jump. Easy peasy. See my will jump. Understand? What is will? This. Okay, see my will jump. Ah, sorry. This is I forget it. Huh. Yes, will run. Okay. For example, uh, Duru will. For example, Duru will walk and fly. Maybe. Oh, Shweta. Shweta will fly, but Shweta isn't bird. Okay. Bird will fly. Understand? But Shweta can fly too by airplane. Okay. See you. I love you. Don't forget this. I will ask you. Will. Okay. I will show you again. Come here. Here. Will. Okay. Like this Turkish. Mohammed will go to. Mohammed will go after 2 minutes. Hop. Here. Okay. Here. Zarya will eat apple tomorrow. Zarya will eat. It's Turkish. Okay. Look, look. Where is it? Here. Zarya will eat apple. Okay. Now you can give an examples to your mother's father. Okay. And I will ask you tomorrow. Don't forget this. I love you. See you tomorrow at school.